Jai Hind students, I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to start the chapter Our Country India. We will know in this module, in this chapter even, we will know about our country India. As you know, India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is bound by the lofty Himalayas, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Wash the shores of the Indian peninsula. Now, India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. The north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 km and the east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2,900 km. The lofty mountains, the great Indian desert, the northern plains, the uneven plateaus, surface and the coast and the islands present a diversity of landform. India is the second most populous country of the world after China. India, if we want to know the location of our country, it is located in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost halfway through the country. From south to north, mainland of India extends between 8° north to 37° north latitudes, and from the west to east it extends between 68° east to 97.25° east longitudes. It is located on 82° and 30 as standard meridian or the IST. The land frontier is 15,200 km and the coastline is 7,516.6 km. Now, we should know about our neighbors. As we live in a home or wherever we live, we should know about our neighbors. In the same way, what are the neighbor countries? What about the neighbor countries that we should know? So, India's neighbors are Bangladesh, which is 4,096 km away, Bhutan 699 km, Myanmar 1,643 km, China 4,057 km, Nepal 1,751 km and Pakistan is 3,323 km. This much only in this module we will discuss. Now in the next module we will talk about the political division and administrative section of our country. Thank you. Jai Hind. Stay safe, stay healthy.